Adriaan, Simphiwe, can you perhaps introduce yourself and maybe give us a brief overview of your organizations? Adriaan?
Yeah, thanks. So I'm Adriaan CEO of Pragma and also founder of this organization. And Pragma is all about looking after people's things and organizational things. So it's all to do with asset management and managing assets over the lifespan of those assets.
Okay.
My name is Simphiwe, Chairman of Reatile Group. Reatile is a company that is invested in the energy space, petroleum and chemicals, as well as the industrial space. So Pragma gives us the opportunity to really develop our industrial aspect of the business.
How is this deal going to be beneficial to Pragma and Reatile?
So the way that we see it, first of all, it's a new partnership for us. And the new partnership is really going to bring new opportunities for us and also opening up some new avenues into especially the energy and the oil and gas market. So from that perspective, we see that Reatile is really going to help us to put new combinations of leadership in place and also start focusing on new lines of business within those markets. So from a local perspective and from a BEE perspective and from a transformation perspective, I think we're absolutely wonderful positioned to be able to do business in our country.
From a Reatile point of view, why we invested in Pragma is, firstly, we like the business and the space that Pragma is in. It's a business that has excellent capabilities, especially technology, and is very client-centric, where they offer asset management on behalf of clients to manage them on a cost-effective and performance-driven basis. Moreover, I think if you look at the diversity that is in our economy in South Africa today, is that the future leaders in South African economic landscape are quite diverse. This allows Pragma to also reach clients that they could otherwise not easily reach if itself it's not diverse. And so we bring that level of competency to Pragma to be able to do that. Our focus also in Reatile is to grow into Africa. And we know that there's a lot of shortage of skills in Africa, especially when it comes to us who will put in physical assets on the ground in terms of maintaining that and all that. So Pragma actually gives Reatile competencies to be able to manage our assets as we grow. So we see a lot of symbiotic relationship where we benefit as Reatile from Pragma use and technology as our partners going forward into the rest of the continent, but also introduce Pragma to our international partners currently.
So I'm hearing a lot about growth and expansion of our footprint. How do you intend on growing this business and taking it forward?
Yeah. So I think from a growth perspective, this morning we agreed that the board is playing a major role in I think casting the vision and putting a future vision and a path to get to that vision and supporting it by finances to make sure that we get to where we want to be.
From a Reatile point of view, as the single largest shareholder in Pragma today, our philosophy is very simple. We invest in businesses that have competent management and competent people. So we're looking to every employee of Pragma to bring themselves to the party and help grow the business. What we're going to be doing at the board level is to support Adriaan, who obviously is the MD of the company, with his growth vision, to support him with capital allocation, to support him at a strategic level in terms of sector involvement. And then when I bring it down to the operational level, is we're going to bring leads to Pragma or be able to support the initiatives that all the employees of Pragma are able to do at a strategic level. We're not going to be hands-on, and we're not going to be interfering with management effort and management creativity to run the business. No, we invested in the business precisely because we like the management that is involved and the people that are within Pragma. So our job is to make sure that creative talent is there to express itself and to support it as best way we can.